1. Turn on the electric control cabinet switch. 2. Turn on the laser generator and water chiller. 3. Turn on the product's flex pendant. 4. Insert the key and turn it on in manual mode. 5. Press the W/J key to set to world coordinates. 6. Click Login to select the user and enter the corresponding password. 7. To manually control the movement of the robot, you need to hold down the button of the controller handle and hold down the button of the corresponding axis to move. 8. Press up and down to control the robot's speed. 9. Click REC, create a new action program and load it. 10. Click the yellow arrow to enter the new program editing screen. 11. Follow the text description and video demonstration steps to program operations. 12. Click here to set the robot movement speed for the current action. 13. The control robot moves the welding gun to the starting position of the workpiece, and the height is about 2.5 centimeters from the workpiece. 14. Select P-Line 3D and load it. 15. Click Editor S/H Output to select Y030 and check On. 16. After moving to the end position, select P-Line 3D again and load. The entire path is a straight path between 2 points. If the path direction needs to be changed, it needs to be marked at the corresponding position. (17) Click Output, select Y030 again and check off. 18. Move the welding gun to a safe height and set free to mark this position. 19. Select Data Action, set CMD, Stop. This step is set to prevent the robot from repeating actions. If it is automatic processing, it can be ignored. 20. The controller turns on the laser switch. 21. Use the key to adjust to auto mode, and click Start to start the robot. 22. Edit the path of the circle in the same way. The difference is 16 steps. The 2 steps need to set circle and select 3 points to mark.